step into a mesmerizing evening in Dubai, where the Burj Khalifa rises majestically over the city skyline. This iconic landmark is not just a feat of architecture, it is a testament to Dubai's vision and relentless drive to stand out on the global stage. Adding to this breathtaking skyline is the Dubai Fountains located at the base of Burj Khalifa. This captivating show of water, music, and lights attracts thousands every evening as powerful jets shoot water up to 500 feet in the air, dancing in sync with music from all around the world. Each fountain show lasts around 5 minutes, with performances begin at 6 pm and repeating every 30 minutes until the last show at 11 pm. The combination of the towering Burj Khalifa and the enchanting fountains display creates an unforgettable experience. To witness this dazzling performance, people from all walks of life, locals, visitors, and all age groups, and everyone in between gather around the Dubai fountain, finding different angles to catch the best view. For those looking to get even closer to the fountain's mesmerizing display, a boat service offers a unique experience, allowing you to glide across the water just steps away from the action. While there is a small fee for this ride, the chance to feel the mist and watch the lights dance up close makes it well worth it. Rising high in the heart of Dubai, the Burj Khalifa, standing at 828 meters, has been the tallest building in the world since 2010 and still holds the title today. More than just its height, it is a symbol of Dubai's ambition, with over 160 floors housing luxury residences, hotels, offices, and restaurants. It is not just a building, it is a destination that attracts millions of visitors annually, contributing significantly to the country's economy. Around the Burj Khalifa is nothing short of magical. As night falls, the towering skyscraper lights up, illuminating the skyline with its brilliant glow. The way it gleams against the dark sky, with lights twinkling up the entire 828-meter height, creates a breathtaking sight. The reflection of the Burj Khalifa on the surrounding waters and the vibrant atmosphere of downtown Dubai adds to the enchantment, making it an unforgettable experience that stays with you long after the night ends. Right next to the Burj Khalifa is the Dubai Mall, one of the world's largest and most prestigious shopping destinations. It is not just a hotspot for tourists, but also a key hub for serious investors. The mall has played a significant role in driving Dubai's economy, attracting millions of visitors and contributing to the city's global appeal. Burj Khalifa's surrounding area downtown Dubai is a vibrant hub for real estate, businesses, and tourism. It is where the city's heart beats strongest, filled with exciting attractions and a thriving social scene. The best time to visit are evenings, when you can catch the mesmerizing fountain show at the base of the tower while the lights of Burj Khalifa shimmer in the background. The cooler evening's breeze makes it the perfect time for a stroll to soak in the sights and sounds. Burj Khalifa has made a name for itself in a pop culture too. From Hollywood blockbusters like Mission Impossible, where Tom Cruise performed jaw-dropping stunts, to Bollywood superstar Shah Rukh Khan promoting his films here, this place has become a global sensation. From its towering height to the experiences it offers, Burj Khalifa is more than just a building. It stands as a testament to Dubai's innovation, luxury, and ambition. Whether you are here to shop, sightsee, or simply take in the magic, Burj Khalifa will leave you in awe. It is a must-see destination for anyone visiting Dubai. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you liked it, please like, share and subscribe to our channel Ultimate Images. Your support helps us to make more fun and informative videos for you. Thanks once again and see you in the next one.